Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. J. Sundari, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, ADM College for Women, Nagapattinam. Now I am going to talk about the shape and ultrastructure of bacterium and reproduction. Introduction. Bacteria defined as microscopic single-celled organism that can penetrate into healthy tissue and start multiplying into vast numbers. These are unicellular, free-living small microorganisms which are visible under the light microscope. Those are belongs to kingdom prokaryotes. They occur in water, soil, air, and all natural environments. The size and the shape vary between the dimension of 0.75 to 4.0 mm, the khaki diameter near about 1 mu and basally are 1 to 8 mm. They are found in spherical shape, for example coccoid forms, or as cylindrical, for example rod shape forms. Shape of bacteria. On basis of shape, bacteria are classified as follows: coccus forms, Bacillus forms, Spirillum forms, and Vibrio cholera forms. Shape of bacteria cell. The four basic bacteria shapes are coccus, Bacillus, Spiral, and Vibrio. However, paleomorphic bacteria can assume several shapes. The coccus forms are round cells, sometimes slightly blunted when they are adjacent to one another. Bacillus forms are rod-shaped bacteria. Spirillum forms are curved bacteria which can range from gently curved shape to a cork-like spiral. Many spirilla are rigid and capable of movements. A special group of spirilla known as spirochetes are long, slender, and flexible. Vibrio forms, there are comma-shaped bacteria with less than one complete turn or twist in the cell. For example, Vibrio cholera. This slide shows ultrastructure of bacterium. The outer membrane consists of long type flagellum and short type villi. The inner sides center region of nucleus surrounded by cytoplasm. The electron microscopy structure of bacterium. These are essentially one envelope system consisting of central nuclear materials surrounded by cytoplasm. The entire mass of the protoplast is encased within a plasma membrane only. The bacterial cells shows a typical prokaryotic structure. It is enclosed by three layers: the outermost covering of slime, the middle cell wall, and the innermost plasma membrane. Ultrastructure of bacteria cells shows a rigid cell wall. The cell wall has no cellulose, but it has a complex chemical substance called mucocomplex. It contains muramic acid, mucopolysaccharides, and D amino acids. Such a type of cell wall is found only in blue-green algae. The cell wall of flagellate, the forms is surrounded by a slime capsule. Inner to the cell wall, the protoplasm has a distinct plasma membrane. The cytoplasm is colloidal, vacuoles are present. The resolved food materials are found in the form of volatin, glycogen, granules, lipids, chlorophylls, and protein synthesis. In some bacteria, the photosynthetic pigments are present in chromatophores. The cells of the bacteria are prokaryotic. There is no well-organized nucleus. The bacterial cells has a primitive nucleus. It consists of 1 or 2 clump of DNA strands. In Escherichia coli, there is a single circular molecules of DNA. Some bacteria like Bacillus forms and Spirillum forms are motile. They move with the help of flagella. Is made up of a protein called flagellum. The flagella are arrest beneath the plasma membrane. Asexual reproduction, binary fission. First stage, the bacterial chromosome, origin of replication. Second stage, origin of replication, opens plus DNA replication beginning. Third stage, the cell elongates, origin more towards the cell ends of DNA is copied. Fourth stage, septum forms down the middle of the cell. Fifth stage, bacterial chromosome divided into two daughter cells. Next, binary fission, the intact bacterial chromosomes, it has two regions called the region of replication and the terminus of replication, which are located diametrically opposites to one another on the chromosomes. The chromosomes open at the origins of replication and the two DNA strands are copied with the replication proceeding in opposite direction on the two strands. The copying continues. The cells elongates the new origin of replication, move upward towards opposite end of the cells. A septum forms down the middle of the cell, partitioning in the two new cells, each which one of the two the bacterial chromosome copies. The replication continues until the entire chromosome is copied and the replication enzymes meet at the far sides. Once the new chromosome have moved to opposite the cell and end the cleared the center of the cell, division of the cytoplasm can takes place. In this process, the membrane pinches inwards and the septum or new dividing wall from the form of down the middle of the cell. Finally, the septum itself split down the middle and the two cells are released to continue their lives the individual bacteria. Endosperm formation. The first stage, cytoplasmic membrane, outer of the cell wall and inner of the DNA is replicated. The second stage, cellular division of cytoplasmic membrane. Third stage, septum pre-spore formation beginning. Fourth stage, cortex formation. Fifth stage, spore core formation beginning. Matured. Sixth stage, matured beginning exosporium formation. Free spore, mother cells release matured spore. And next, axial filament formation. The adjustment of the genetic material of the bacterial cells in the accurate centered plan. The septum formation, a septum known as four-spore septum is formed as a result of the infolding of the plasma membrane into the cell lumen. It is creation causes a small segment of DNA and detached from the remaining genetic material. Four-spore engulfment. The newly formed immature spores is entirely engulfed by the membrane of the mother cell as it is proceeded to grow. The engulfment causes the pore to the enveloped by an intermembrane space and to plasma membrane. Cortex formation. In the inner membrane space between the two membranes gives rise to formation of cortex. In this stage, the accumulation of dibicolinic acid and calcium in a large quantity of absorbed. Protein coat formation. The fifth one, protein coat formation. The cortex of the hens formed spore is covered with the protein coating. Sixth one, spore maturation. At this stage, the cell turns inactive metabolically and the core turns increasingly dehydrates. Seventh one, enzymatic destruction. The endospore are released as a result of the destruction of the enzymes of the spore mother cells. Thank you.